Welcome to yet another edition of the Blue Rafflesia, the search for this elusive plant goes on. Presently, our characters are in the North Sentinel Island of Andaman and Nicobar group of islands controlled by the Indian government. This island is generally inaccessible to any Indian or non-Indian citizen. But due to the importance of the search of the Blue Rafflesia, Indian government has allowed a secret mission to be conducted within this island, but under the supervision of Professor Bhattacharya and his selected personnel. So if you want to know what has happened until now, please go to the previous episodes of the Blue Rafflesia. Today we will begin a new episode of the Blue Rafflesia. Let us begin. This story is written by me. My name is Dr. Mrinmoy Mutundar. So the story is entirely written by me. So your feedback is eagerly awaited. Any constructive feedback I will wholeheartedly accept and try to incorporate for the betterment of this story. Okay, let me begin. The investigating officer, Panda, has overcome a lot of hostility in his entire career in the police force. But this tiger case is not leaving him. It is plaguing him for the last 6 months, and it is